Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. I've got a phrase for this week which is very commonly said and heard around the place, and I wonder if you're using it. It's kei te pai. So kei te is the present tense and pai is good. And it commonly means it's all good. Kei te pai, kei te pai. It could be an answer if somebody's asked how you are, and you just kei te pai, kei te pai. We've got it in our Ānei Care book about the weather, and on each page when the person has got what they've been looking for, in this case found their coat, here it is, Ānei Care, and then kei te pai, kei te pai. And when we're doing that with in the show with children, we get them to put their thumbs up, so it helps with the meaning, kei te pai. So you could add a thumbs up when you're saying kei te pai, and you could ask somebody if they're okay by just raising your voice at the end by saying kei te pai, kei te pai. And that's kind of about, is it all good, or are you all good? And it's a lovely phrase to just use. It's kind of just an encouraging phrase and checking in with people. Kei te pai, kei te pai. So hopefully you'll be able to add that one if you're not already using it. Ka kite.